Hey there, Becca here from Inside the Square. In this tiny tutorial, I'll show you how to add an SEO description to a blog post in your Squarespace website. From your main menu, navigate to Pages, and click into the blog that you're going to edit. From here, you'll see a list of all of your posts. We're going to add the description, so I'm going to go ahead and click on that post. From here, we can select these three dots to open up the blog post settings. Again, those are the three dots next to the post we're about to edit. Select the settings option. This will take you to your blog post settings menu. Under the SEO tab, you can enter in the title and the description. It's really important to know that Google doesn't always pull from the SEO description. They will often choose to display text that is most related to the search. So be sure to use a few keywords that you're optimizing that blog post for within your SEO description, but understand that it's not a guarantee that that's what's going to display. Enter your text here in this line. 300 characters or less is recommended, but you can go up to 400 characters here in Squarespace, and when you're done, select Save. I'll show you one more time how I got to that settings menu. We're going to navigate back out to our Pages menu. From your main menu, select Pages and click into the blog that you're going to edit. Inside your blog, I've clicked into the individual post and I'm going to select these three dots next to the post I'm adding this description to. This will allow me to select the settings option, and from my blog settings menu, I'll select SEO and enter the text here in SEO description. I also recommend adding an SEO title right here up to 100 characters. Whatever you enter, select Save and you'll be good to go. For more tiny tutorials like this one, visit InsideTheSquare.co.